Hi guys, I'm Yosef, and welcome to YouTube Bear channel. Today's topic is sub for sub web and apps. In this video I will show you how to reach 60 to 100 subscribers a day using the sub for sub method. At the end of the video, I will show you how the sub for sub method affected my YouTube channel, so stay with me. All the sites I use will be in the video description. Go to the site and register. After that you will do just like me. I speed up the video for you. After you have finished subscribing, a message will pop up telling you to wait 12 hours to activate the free program again, and in the meantime you will receive 10 subscribers on your channel. As this site has 2 more sites exactly the same, I will show you. Do the same on the other sites so you can reach 60 subscribers in 24 hours. And now we'll move on to the app. In the app you need to earn points to publish your video. Earn points by subscribing to channels and viewing their content after you earn points. You can post your video the way I will show you now. Now, as I promised, I will show you how this method has affected my channel. That kind of explains the method. We all want to make money on YouTube, and we try all sorts of ways to get around and get stuck in the wall time after time, instead of choosing the usual and good way. Look what happened to my channel. YouTube has stopped recommending my videos to people, which will ruin my progress. If you want me to show you the right hard and good way to really succeed on YouTube, write to me in the comments. And subscribe for my bear.